Okay, so this will be showing my age a bit, but when I was a young lad, if you believe that, I got one of these for Christmas. It's a very analog electronics kit that instructed you on how to build all kinds of simple electronic circuits, including an AM radio of all things. And I played with it for hours and hours, and it's one of the reasons why I like electronics to this day. Well, we live in a digital world, and Elecro has what I consider a spiritual successor with their all-in-one Arduino starter kit. The kit comes integrated into a handy, compact carrying case. Inside, you get an infrared remote control, moisture sensor, extra servo arms, and a USB-C data and power cable. But the well-populated device panel is what is really of interest. There are all kinds of goodies for a kid to play with. An addressable relay, audio buzzer, temperature humidity sensor, ultrasonic sensor, accelerometer, the Arduino itself and XS ports, momentary button, infrared receiver, LED light, microphone, motion detector, sliding potentiometer, servo, and of course a two-line LCD display. There are user connectors to some of the unused analog, digital, and I/O ports not already connected to the other devices. On the side is a USB port. Out of curiosity, I unscrewed the front panel to see what was underneath. And it wasn't much. Just the back ends of the ultrasonic sensor and LCD display. The backplate itself acts as a hidden circuit board connecting everything together. The effort says it comes with a manual, but mine didn't. So I went over to Elecro's website and grabbed an electronic copy at the bottom of the page. It's 65 pages long and has a setup guide and lots of sample programs. However, you are not able to easily copy-paste them. But on the wiki page is a link to the kit's GitHub repository, which has all the same examples as in the manual along with driver libraries, which I downloaded as one big zip file onto my computer. There they are, 20 different courses for your enjoyment. If you have the Arduino IDE already installed, just double-click on the INO sketch. My IDE was a bit out of date, so I went ahead and updated it. Once updated, I loaded the simple light flasher sketch. When plugged into the computer, I got a nice start prompt on the display to show it was working. In the IDE, you will need to select the COM port and board type. The manual doesn't say which board, so I guess it's the standard Arduino Uno. Pressing the upload button, turns out my guess was correct. I now had a blinking light. As expected, a power cycle auto reloads the last program from memory. Next was a sketch for the LCD display, which had a compiler. Looks like a library is missing. I remembered that the Git file had a bunch of library files in it, so I copied them all into the Arduino IDE library folder. That fixed the problem. It works! But it needs to say something more substantial. You know what to do, folks. The temperature and humidity sensor works, but it certainly wasn't 65 degrees centigrade in my shop. There, that's more accurate. Kind of. A distance warning program is kind of neat. And a distance measuring program worked well. I like this program where I can use the infrared remote to directly enter in servo position angles. Even has error warnings for out of range angles. Accelerometer sketch is pretty neat, if it's not quite clear how the axes line up. Moisture sensor plugs into an external analog port via a cable. Worked pretty good. With a battery bank, I took the kit outside to test the soil in my yard. Better than I thought. And they said we were in a dry spell. So I think this is a really neat kit. Well, some of the setup instructions could be a bit more detailed for beginners. The included sample programs are simple and straightforward. Plus those lessons do have really good and detailed explanations on how they work. I think this could be an ideal entry into the world of Arduinos, even for schools and classrooms. It's inexpensive, highly portable, and versatile. Much better than that old electronics kit I used to have. Mostly. Hi, thanks for watching. Please take a look at the video description below for special HobbyView sales and discounts. Your purchases help support this channel. Happy modeling!